see the roofing solutions available at Space and Style.
Welcome to Space and Style. We are the sole distributors of Decra roofing material, Decra genuine roofing tile. Our tiles come from New Zealand. Number one, it's an international product, and the manufacturer picks one distributor per country. So every country, anywhere you go in the world, if you go to Britain, if you go to US, you go to USA, whichever country, even Tanzania, Uganda, you'll get a distributor of Decra roofing material. So basically, Decra roofing material is essentially made of aluminium zinc. Aluminium zinc ensures that you don't get rust. It is durable and long-lasting. So what happens, we normally use a natural stone coating made from volcanic rock. These rocks are crushed and you're able to get this kind of particles. And these particles are embedded on top of the tile using a very high technological process of bonding this tile, these stone coatings on top of the tile. Unfortunately, most imitations in the market, they use the wrong, they use asbestos for bonding process, which means when you harvest water, you're harvesting the chemical as well. Therefore, of course, it will not be safe to use. But for Decra roofing tile from New Zealand, we don't use that kind of, we don't use chemicals, we just use a different, very high technology when it comes to bonding of these particles onto the aluminium alu-zinc material, which makes it safe to harvest water. So I'll start with the Milano profile. We have it in two colors. We have Milano Rosso and we have Milano Charcoal. This is how the house looks like with a Milano tile. It looks like that. With the shingles profile, we have, as you can see, the pattern is different from the Milano. This has more spots on it. It has a shade, a lighter shade, and it comes in a variety of colors. So when you're building, you have a choice of colors based on the stones that you have used and whether you're going to plaster your roof. If you're going, for example, to use gray stones, you can either go for, this is Eclipse shingles, or you can go for Portland shingles. If you're going to use a light colored stone, you can go for Sunset shingles, Bark shingle, Willow shingle, or Sage shingle. If you're going to plaster your house, you can always play around with the colors depending on the roof material that you have selected. For example, if you're going to take a bark shingle roof, you can either, the plaster area, you can use a light color, cream, a bright color, orange, or any other color that suits your needs. Then, if you look at this house, this is how the pattern of the shingles looks like. It has patches on the roof. So essentially, if you put any of these shingles profile, there'll always be an element of some different shade, but it comes out very well.